Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura. We are going to open up the February sew-up box. But this is really exciting. I was looking forward to getting this box. Very much wanting to do the project that they've got. But before I open this box, I have to share something with you. So I had a birthday recently. Yay, happy birthday to me. And we do a lot with Amazon. And to give our kids and each other some ideas, and of course they don't know what books I've got. So I need to let them know what books I have and don't have. What I'm interested in, you know, and they know some basic stuff. But I certainly don't want to get a repeat of a book. So there's no sense in spending that money. Well, I have two different lists. One is a present idea list. And then the other, I have another, it's called a wish list. Now, the present idea list is anyone in my family, anytime that they're wanting to buy me a present, go to that list. But my wish list is one that, well, I'm thinking about that. You know, maybe this is something new. Well, my son Dave, and I had done a live not long ago, and one of the viewers mentioned amigurumi. It's a crocheting thing of making animals and faces. And I was like, you know, I have wanted to do that. You know, getting back into my crocheting. So I had a book on my wish list, thinking that I'd go back to that one later and think about it. Well, my son Dave, he bought it. He went to the wrong list, but that's okay. Now, what made this so funny, and if you're interested in this, we'll have it down in our Amazon store, link below, under, probably As Seen on Thursday Threads. Well, he bought it, and then he made a point of showing me how he had bookmarked one of the pages. Talk about a hint. My kids. But these are awfully cute. And then there's an axolotl. And I do like shopping off Amazon. I did find some axolotl earrings for my daughter because she really likes them. And they are cute. They're this Mexican walking fish. They're a form of a salamander. But they always look like they're smiling. Alright. Enough blabbing. Now to the good stuff. The sew-up box. It's an independent small business owner. She and friends, family, work together to curate these boxes. They come up with their patterns, and I cannot recommend these high enough. These are awesome. The people are so easy to work with. The patterns are good. So it's, are you ready to sew? Oh no, are you ready for this? Lots of puns. And I love the way that, so they just take a lot of personal time, personal care in this. So the monthly tool, somewhere I'm going to find a marking pencil. So we will be on the lookout for that. We always get a little card letting us know. I think February must be pink. January was blue. February's pink. They're doing a color theme every month. Okay, I've never seen this fabric. This is nice. I like this. What do y'all think? As always, the fat quarters are tied together with a length of labels that you can use on your items that you've sewn and give as gifts. And I'm keeping a little jar right here, and I'm just going to put this right into my jar so I don't lose it. Because y'all have seen how I lose little pieces of elastic and different things. So we're just going to put it right there. I'll know right where it is at all times. And I like this. I can see this going with so many things. Put that aside. And today's project, oh, there's my pencil. this out, is a storage basket, and it says we'll be making 2 of them. Prep time is 2 minutes. Sewing time is about 35 minutes. And I don't know if that's 35 minutes for 1 or 35 for 2. It says what we need is a sewing machine, scissors, iron, and a ruler. Okay, we got that covered. Okay, this one actually has 10 steps. Not 6. Normally there's only 6, but this time we have 10. But I think we can do it. We have sewing pins and a machine needle. Always handy. And then we have our pre-cut fabric. Have some thread. And as always, she includes any notions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buttons. So there must be 4 buttons for each one. Oh, and I like these. Isn't that cute? Handmade with love. Isn't that cute? They're nice. They're nice buttons. And you can always know she's going to give you nice stuff. Don't have to worry. The fabric is good quality. Got the batting. Everything you need for this project is in this little box. And, as always, she has a link to a PDF pattern. And then you can also watch a video with her to, if you've got any questions, if you're not sure how to do something, they'll walk you through it. Her boxes are definitely, she wants you to be successful. She wants you to do well. She wants you to sew and feel good about what you've sewn. That means a lot. So I'll tell you right now, I think if we lived closer together, I think we'd be friends. I truly do. Based just, it's people's attitudes, her customer service, her commitment to customer service. I think she's one I could really like. But I have been looking forward to this project. I see lots and lots and lots of uses for this. Maybe a spring market, put some little items in these, use them on my table, put little gifts. I can put, batch of cookies or something in them as a gift. Maybe someone who's homebound or someone from church who's, not feeling well. You can take some things in this. I just, lots and lots of applications for this pattern. I'm excited. I hope you are too. And I hope you'll come back and watch me put these together. And as always, if I make a mistake, you're going to see it. But thus far, it's all been my mistakes, not hers. She's got it under control. But I want to be perfect, but oh well. I'm looking forward to this. I hope you are too. Be sure to check out the link below and click on it. She does offer a first month free when you subscribe. She also offers kits and patterns for sale. So if you're not sure and you just want to try something out, give it a go. I think you'll be as pleased as I am. And can't wait to see what y'all get. Find us on Facebook at Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners, and don't forget to send us pictures. I love to see your pictures. I like to see what you're doing. I like to hear recommendations, suggestions. If I can answer questions, I will. Just remember, I'm learning too. Honestly, I learn more from my videos than you do, probably. The best way to learn something is to teach it. So, also find information at CrazyDavesCrew. And don't forget, stop by and see our bunnies at the Crazy D Ranch. I'll guarantee if you're having a rough day, they'll make you feel better. They really will. And David and I have done a lot of research about what kind of cage to use, what kind of gauge wire to use, how to clean, how to make sure that they're kept clean. Because if you don't keep the hay and everything out from there, they'll get stuff stuck up in their backside, and then they'll go into stasis and they'll die, which is just kind of a slow, horrible death. We have been able to save a few of our rabbits. We've had a number of losses this year due to the cold and due to bunnies just refusing to have their babies in the nesting boxes. They have them on in the cage floor, and but they don't have hair. They don't have fur when they're born, and they get really cold and they'll die. So that's kind of been sad, but we've had some successes. So be sure to check out the Crazy D Ranch. Check out the Sew Up box, link below, and don't forget to come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.